So this is a 2009 Honda Civic, and we're going to reset the oil life. It came up and it's at 10% right now. So what you would do is turn on the ignition. Now just ignition, turn it on. And what you would do is you're gonna click cell reset until you go to the oil life if you were not there. So here, as you can tell, it says oil life. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold the cell reset. So I'm gonna hold this. Keep holding it. So now it started flashing, as you can tell. Now you let it go. Let it go. And you start holding it again. And now you see that it's up to 100%. And that's how you reset the oil life on your 2009 Honda Civic. As you can tell, oil life is 100%. Hope this helps.